Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Rupp Hardenbrook, and I am going to show you how to draw forms on our geometric form rendering worksheet. Render means to draw. We are going to draw these step by step. Please wait until I say go, because I will have helpful tips and I will show you mistakes that kiddos commonly make, so you do not need to make those mistakes. We have already talked about all our vocabulary, about forms and values, 2D and 3D. So let's get started. We're drawing the cube first. It is a square face. We'll start with that. Remember, long light lines, warm up, float your pencil. You can turn your paper if you need. I cannot turn my paper in the video, so forgive me if it's not my best rendering ever. So, same equal sides, long light lines, fix as you go. Go. Second step, you need 3 long diagonals coming from the top 2 corners and the 1 bottom corner. Make them go parallel in the same direction, make them long. Sometimes kiddos go hard and fast and then their square is crooked or they have a curvy line. Sometimes they take the diagonals out in all different directions. That doesn't look so good. Sometimes they take them horizontal, vertical, and then diagonal. Also will not work. Go. Next step is to do a vertical parallel. Right even with the other side parallel to the edge. Sometimes kiddos connect them and go crooked, and that doesn't look so good. Parallel to the edge. Go. Next step is to find the intersection of the diagonal and the far back edge of the cube. Then you are going to go parallel to the top edge, horizontal. Warm up, float your pencil, fix as you go. Sometimes kiddos just connect them or make it go all crooked or something. Don't do that. Leave a tail. Go. The rectangle is like the cube. It just has a rectangular face. Remember, float your pencil, have vertical and horizontal lines. Fix as you go. Oops, I went crooked. No problem, ignore that, we're not erasing. Instead, just draw a darker line where you like it. Go. Next step is just like the square. 3 diagonals coming from 3 corners, parallel and longer than you need them. See me warm up, float the pencil, then long light lines. Oops, I went crooked, no crying, just fix it. Good. Reminder, do not make them go horizontal and vertical and diagonal. Reminder, do not make them go off in all directions. Go. Next step is the vertical line, leaving a tail on both those diagonals. Oops, I'm going curved in. Fix, float, warm up. Ah, pretty good. Go. Then, next step, find the intersection, go horizontal. You can turn your paper if you need. I can't turn it. And be parallel to the top edge horizontally. Good. Reminder, do not connect the end of the lines and have the sides all crooked. Parallel lines. Go. Next, we're drawing the pyramid. Do a isosceles triangle, equal sides on the top 2 sides. Then a horizontal line, warm up. Remember it's horizontal, see how I left a tail? Go. Next step, diagonal from the bottom corner. Sometimes kiddos do horizontal, doesn't look so good. Go. Next step, from the vertex, go all the way down, leaving a tail. It's not parallel, it's diagonal, and connect. Go. Sphere. It is a circle until we add value. Let's draw a circle. My tips are to warm up and go in both directions like the Sea Dragon or pirate ship rides at the amusement park. Do not go like a Ferris wheel around and around. Lightly see where the mark's going to be Pretend, warm up. Oh, I got a bump, no problem. Inflate that dent. Oh, I got a big bump, no problem. Shave it off. Get a little darker on the lines that you like. Move your paper as you need. Go. Next form is the cone. Isosceles triangle for the top, but not a bottom straight line. It's curved a little bit. Equal sides. Watch me warming up, floating the pencil, fixing as I go. No need to erase, just darken the ones you like. Don't go too fast or too slow, go medium speed. Sometimes kiddos go fast and it doesn't work out so well. The bottom line is a little curve. Connect them so they're equally long. Leave a tail if you need on one side. Sometimes kiddos go straight, of course that's a triangle. Sometimes kiddos do a big circle. Don't do that, do a little curve. Go. Next we're rendering a cylinder. We'll start with the top. It's a circle in reality, face shape, but we need the skinny, skinny oval. You go both directions. Good. Sometimes kiddos do a big fat circle. Don't do that. Make it skinny. Go. Next step is 2 vertical lines, parallel from the very, very, very edge, not the inside, very edge, warm up, keep them vertical, parallel, straight. Practice first, medium speed. Good. Sometimes kiddos do them from the middle. Doesn't look as good. Go. Last step is a smooth, slight curve on the bottom, intersecting so these side lines are equal. Sometimes kiddos do a big round one. Doesn't look as good, right? Yay, we have drawn 3D forms from math, geometric forms, on a 2D surface. They will look very 3D when we add value with a shading technique. I will show that to you in our next video. Thank you and enjoy.